Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Aries. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation and love energy, Aries. So these are for your daily energies, guys, and this is for your career situation, and this is for your love energy. We will also be picking one card from the angel guidance deck, guys. So this is the card. We will open the cards as we proceed into the reading. So let's start with the daily reading, Aries. Knight of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, and the Tower. With these cards, guys, in your situation today, you are a very helpful person. You are supporting some people, maybe financially, physically, or emotionally. You are giving that help, whatever is possible for you in your situation, and people are really grateful. Maybe this may be some friend or a family member, or it may be vice versa, guys. You are taking their support and help. So that is the energy here with this card. And you are a person who knows what you want. You know what is your goal and what you need to do today, and you are a person who makes great efforts to reach your goals. So you are making tremendous efforts today, guys. You have that vision in your life about your career or about your personal life, but you may see some drastic changes today, guys. Something is changing all of a sudden, and it may be something really stressful for some of you, or it may be some happy change for some of you, guys. And maybe for some of you, whatever you were not making use of, something of the past, maybe some hurtful memories of the past, or some situation, some stressful situation, that is coming to an end, and you are seeing a new change, a new beginning in your life, Aries. That is what I see. This may relate to your career situation or personal life, guys. So let us see what is the card for your career situation. Four of Cups. So with this card, you are having your own concerns, and some kind of you are in some kind of emotional state, something stressful maybe for some of you. So you are not aware of the offers or opportunities that are coming your way. Something is abstracting you from seeing those new beginnings that are coming your way. You lack that awareness today, guys. So that is what I see with this card. So if you are if you have that vision, if you have that awareness in your present day, you will change your day to a better one. That is what I see with this card, Aries. So what is the card for your relationship? Page of Cups. So with this card, guys, in your relationship today, you feel that romance overwhelming you, guys, in your situation. This may be your energy towards this person, or that person's energy towards you. You have that attraction and that deep bond with this person. You want to be with this person, spend time with them. That is what I see with this card, guys. So it may denote a beginning, maybe a sudden beginning of a romantic relationship also. So it may be with a new person for some of you, or it may be with your person whom you are already in relationship with. but it is taking a deep romantic turn today. That is what I see with this card, guys. So let us see what is the angel guidance card for your ladies. Generosity. So just like the card here, the previous card, we saw that you're helping or you're taking other people's help. So that was the energy with that card. So again, this angel's guidance card, guys, in your situation, maybe in your career situation or your personal life, sometimes we may be in a situation where we take other people's help or support from friends or family or from this person whom we are in connection with. Just like how we accept, we can pass this generosity to some other people who are in need of that. So it can be a very small help, guys, maybe not a financial help. If we do a financial help, well and fine, but if we cannot, it can be a small way of support through our time or energy or some kind words spoken to that person, whatever it is. When we pass on that love and gratitude to that other person, we will feel more love and generosity in our heart, guys. So that is what this card is about, and that is the reading for your ladies. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Aries.